How to deactivate Facebook on iPhone app. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. You'll be directed to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're on this page, click on the settings icon given at the top right. You'll be directed to the settings and privacy page. Here, you're gonna find different section. Navigate to the section Account Center. Click on it. Now different options will appear. Head over to the option Personal Details. Now, head towards the option Account Ownership and Control. Click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Facebook name. Now here, select the option Deactivate Account. It is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most of the things that you have shared. You still can use the messenger. Click Continue. Now you'll need to type in your password over here. After you type in that, click on Continue. Now you'll need to provide the reason why do you want to deactivate your Facebook account. After you select it, click on Continue, and just for that, your account will be deactivated. You can reactivate your account whenever you want by using the credentials. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily deactivate Facebook on iPhone app. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.